Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. Today what I got is just a channel update for y'all, just giving my thoughts on what's going on with the channel, things like that. Trying to do this, just at the end of every month so I can hear your guys' input and just kind of talk about what I'm planning. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is, my ParaOS video that kind of blew up for my channel size. I really appreciate everyone who's watched that, liked it, commented, and subscribed because of that video. I hope to do, more of those videos in the future because you guys seem to like that. But yeah, pretty much I just wanted to first thank everyone for watching that video because that really means a lot to me. I like making videos and that kind of keeps me going, seeing all the people that like it. But yeah, I kind of have some notes up above, so if I just keep on looking, that's just why. But yeah, so first I want to talk about that, just thanking everyone for watching, liking, subscribing. Second, I wanted to say that Fifine, I keep on saying Fifine, so if you hear that, same company. Kind of working closer with them. They've really helped my channel out from the beginning, so I want to keep that relationship going. That's why on all the videos I've changed the thing to do the paid partnership. I'm not getting paid, but they are helping me out in terms of like they do send me the products and stuff, so I want to be open about that and let you guys know that partnership's still going on. I'm trying to reach out to also different companies to send stuff over for me to review. Right now my channel's small. I'm at 268 subscribers last time I checked, so I'm not hearing much back, but that's just how it is. I mean, I'm a small channel. I'm not gonna blame other companies. I'm reaching out to like smaller companies, maybe some bigger ones, just to see what kind of milestone or mark I have to hit. I'm not really expecting like, oh, here you go, here's a free PC to review or anything like that. I've reached out to a couple of like monitor companies to see like what milestone, like I said, I need to hit, because I would like to kind of review monitors and a more wide range of tech. So far I've done keyboards, mice, the usual stuff that I already had. But yeah, so far, I guess switching now to just my channel views in general. So far I've actually been having a lot more views on my videos, which is nice to see. I think I probably average around, I would say, maybe 50 to 100 views per video, which that's kind of my goal is to hit. I don't, like I said, I do this for fun. I'm not really trying to like, become the next like Linus Tech Tip or Keith Brownlee, whatever. That would be cool, of course. I wouldn't say no to that, but at the same time, I'm working with a webcam here, so I'm just doing this for fun. If there's any videos, I guess, that you guys would like to see me post about or anything, just let me know in the comments below. That's pretty much all I actually have for you guys for this update. It's more just I'm reaching out, to companies to send me stuff. That ParaOS video did really well, which I like, so thank you guys for watching that one again. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys for this month. Continue to watch my videos, comment, like, and subscribe. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next one.